Lucas, what are we doing?
A cookie.
Cooking.
Cooking with who? Who is that?
I think it's.
Is she your guest chef?
No.
Your guest chef, Sam?
No.
Is her name
Sammy.
That'll work. She probably will go for that.
Yeah.
Sammy
Carter.
Andy.
Sam and Andy. Right.
Let's get cookie. Let's get cookie.
Let's get
Let's-
cooking. High five.
let's get
Start it
up.
off.
Let's
High five.
do this.
Did you give Sam a high five? All right.
Let's do this.
All right.
Let's cook all together.
All together. Okay. What's first?
This one.
What do we have to do first?
We do first.
We have to turn something on. Yeah. What is that? The oven?
No. A cooking.
We have to preheat the oven.
Yeah, need in the oven. Let's
All right.
now we need water first.
How do you know?
Need water.
How much?
You make water.
Ask Sam to make water.
Make water.
A quarter cup.
Make water.
I think. Here.
Put it in the pan.
Here, you put it in the pan. You pull. Use a spoon.
Here. Yeah, just pull it all in.
Get it. Push it.
Whoa! Get some of the stuff still in there. Push it out. Whoa, do it again.
Use a spoon, Daddy.
All right. You want me to help? We're gonna cook. Here, help Sam. Help her.
Okay.
Good job.
Do we put it on the top or the middle? Want to put it on the top? Let's just put it on the top.
Now, close.
Close it up.
Close it. Good job.
Now what do we do, Lucas?
Now do the dishes.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta set a timer. Do we ask Google?
Yeah, go. Timer. 5 more minutes.
No, let's say 21.
10 more minutes.
Ta-da!
Now yours.
Yes. Where do they go?
Did you tell Samantha thanks for helping me cook?
Thanks, can me cook?
You're welcome.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.